Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own YouTube channel. Let's do it. Hey guys, Mitch here, the Gen X guy. Welcome to my brand new channel, all beautiful 7 of you. And today it's how to create a YouTube channel day. All right, it's very simple, it's very fast. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So assuming you have a Google account, because you need a Google account to create a YouTube channel because Google owns YouTube. So I'm assuming right now that you have that account. If you don't, maybe I'll make another video on how to create a Google account. But for now, let's go to the computer and give it a go. All right, guys, so first of all, you're gonna wanna go on YouTube. And if you have your account, you're already signed in, good. If not, you gotta make sure that you're signed in, all right? So click on the little sign in at the top right. Once you're signed in, you should see that little icon at the top right corner. Okay, you're gonna wanna click on that, and then you will appear, and you're gonna click on create a channel right there underneath. If you don't have a channel, this link will appear underneath your name and email. Now, here we have the option to add a profile picture, which we're gonna do later. We're not gonna do that now. They already filled in the name field and the handle field. We're gonna change that. For the name, it's actually the channel name. So it can be your name, it can be your brand name, and it can be basically what you wanna call your channel. Okay, we're gonna call this one Gen X Guy, obviously. And then the handle, I don't want the handle with a D2X, I don't know why, what's that? I'm assuming the Gen X Guy is taken, yeah, see, so it's taken. So we're gonna have to tweak that handle. This is the address that people, you know, at the name, and then they can find you on YouTube. So we're gonna change that to the Gen X Guy. Oh, that's taken out also, okay? So I would recommend doing a search. That's what I actually did. So I searched if someone else had a channel called Gen X Guy. But yeah, we chose the Gen X Guy. If you're not sure, don't worry about it. You can change the name twice every 14 days. All right, so let's find a handle here that works. So we gotta try until the little red exclamation mark changes to a green check mark. We're gonna try Generation X Guy. There you go. Now we're gonna click on create a channel. And there you go. So technically your channel is created. You could start uploading videos right from here, okay? But I recommend doing a few more things, okay? Just to tweak the channel so that it's cosmetically better. So we're gonna add a profile picture here, okay? So right now it's a green G image. They just added that automatically. We're gonna add our own just to make it more appealing, all right? So this can be a logo, this can be any image you want. All right, so here is where you can change the picture and the banner. So we're gonna do that together, okay? So you're gonna click upload right here at the picture area. So I've added a picture, I just uploaded it from my computer, whichever picture I wanted, and then this is the picture. Now we're gonna do a banner. So the banner appears at the top of your channel, and there's a little bit of technical stuff to take in consideration when it comes to a banner art, but we won't go into details right now. I'm just showing you the basic way of doing this. So I just uploaded an image that I had created previously, and voila. Now, once it's uploaded, you create done. All right, so now I have my profile picture and I have my banner art. Now, if you guys want a more detailed explanation on how to create these, you can comment below and let me know if you want me to make a video on that. I'd be happy to. I'm not an expert, but I've done several over the years. Okay, now on the same customization area, the channel customization, we're gonna go to basic info now, okay? Basic info is basically where you can edit your name and the handle, okay? So as you can see here, you can change the name twice every 14 days, and same goes for the handle, okay? You can change that within 14 days, not more. All right, so you're gonna write a short description. It can be anything just to kind of explain what you do. I'm gonna write, hi, I'm Mitch, and why not start a YouTube channel in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s plus? I am here to learn, grow my channel, get monetized, and bring you along this exciting journey. Okay, let's talk. Cheers. This is all we're gonna do for the basic info. The other stuff is more advanced stuff, which we're not gonna get into today. And then make sure you click publish, all right? This will publish all the changes that you've made and make sure it appears on your channel. All right, so as you can see, it's very simple, guys. This is the basics of a YouTube channel. There's way more features, but we can get into that as we go. Remember, it's baby steps. So let me know in the comments, any suggestions, how you're doing so far. Smash the like button, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.